BMW has taken the automotive world by storm with the unveiling of a vibrant, one-off M5 at Pebble Beach. This special edition, drenched in a unique orange hue, aims to captivate enthusiasts and draw attention to the forthcoming M5 model. The distinctive color, paired with a host of custom features, showcases BMW's commitment to blending performance with eye-catching aesthetics. Under the hood, this one-off M5 boasts the same powerhouse as the upcoming model, featuring a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers exhilarating performance. BMW has fine-tuned the engine to provide a seamless blend of power and efficiency, ensuring that the new M5 remains at the forefront of the high-performance sedan market. The exterior design of this special M5 is a testament to BMW's dedication to innovation and style. The bold orange paint is complemented by carbon fiber accents, including the roof, mirrors, and rear spoiler. These elements not only enhance the car's visual appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. The aggressive stance is further emphasized by 20-inch forged wheels, which are finished in a contrasting black, adding to the overall dynamic look. Inside, the one-off M5 continues to impress with a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. Premium materials such as merino leather and Alcantara upholstery are used throughout, providing a sense of opulence and comfort. The bespoke interior features unique stitching patterns and color schemes that echo the exterior's boldness. Cutting-edge technology is also abundant, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen, and advanced driver assistance systems. BMW has equipped this special M5 with its latest driving dynamics technology to ensure an exhilarating driving experience. The car features an adaptive suspension system, active rear-wheel steering, and a sophisticated all-wheel drive setup. These technologies work in harmony to provide exceptional handling and stability, making the M5 a joy to drive on both road and track. The unveiling of this one-off M5 at Pebble Beach is part of BMW's broader strategy to generate excitement and anticipation for the new M5 model. By showcasing this striking example, BMW aims to highlight the customization possibilities and the level of personalization that buyers can expect. The special edition serves as a rolling testament to BMW's engineering prowess and design excellence, reinforcing the brand's position as a leader in the luxury performance segment. Enthusiasts and potential buyers are eagerly awaiting the launch of the new M5, which promises to set new benchmarks in the high-performance sedan category. With its potent engine, advanced technology, and captivating design, the new M5 is poised to continue BMW's legacy of producing iconic and thrilling driving machines. The one-off Pebble Beach edition serves as a tantalizing preview, giving a glimpse of the extraordinary potential that lies within the upcoming M5.